Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be guiding you on how to download lexica.art on your phone. So let us get started. First, go to your App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Then, search for Lexica in the search bar. Tap on the Lexica app from the search results. Click on the Get button for Apple App Store or the Install button for Google Play Store to initiate the download. Wait for the app to fully download and install on your phone. Once it is installed, tap on the Open button to launch the Lexica app. Now, you can create an AI-generated images using your phone and explore all the features Lexica has to offer. Have fun exploring and creating amazing images. I think that's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.